So in this video, you'll learn how to install Microsoft Outlook on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So the first step when it comes to installing this app is to choose where you're going to be installing it from. So you can choose to use the Galaxy Store or you can choose to use the Google Play Store. Once you've made your choice, just tap on either option to launch the app. From here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in the Microsoft Outlook and then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so simply select it and then tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded onto your phone, you can choose to launch it by tapping on open, or you can navigate back to the home screen or apps drawer, look for the app icon from there and tap on it to launch it on your phone. So go through the process of signing in with your account and setting it up on your device so that you can be able to use it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.